Hey guys, today I will be playing Tornado Alley, so I'll see you in game. And when we get in game, we will do it. So here's here's my intro coming up in a couple seconds. So wait. Okay guys, I'm back. So let's do this. Let me drive a car. Get in me car. You get on. No. Oh, MLG Pro Doritos. Die, yeah. Hey, yo, what's up, homie? Hey, I'm doing pretty good. Thanks for asking. So, homie, how is it there? It's pretty OG here. And lol, good, sort of. I've heard recently a tornado is coming. I wouldn't sweat about it. There's our predictions. Well, I guess you're right. I shouldn't worry. Ha! See, there you go. Well, hey, I gotta go. Okay, haha, see you around. Click! Robloxian local weather station has issued 1 second. Shortly after RWLS. Okay, 1 second, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna put the music in the background. So, okay, there we go. Some music in background. Okay, I'm out of my car. EF1, no! Well, I'll see you next round. But let's mess around in the. Let's get this hobby done first. Okay, guys. Oh, you can just enter. Yay! You can keep on playing. Run, Boo, run. What are you doing? Baby, let go. Okay, where are you guys? Where is this tornado? Well, it's gonna end. 14, 13, 12. Oh god, lightning! That nearly struck me. It's nearly done already? What? That was fast. Wasn't that fast? There doesn't seem to be many survivors. So we will keep you updated on this tragedy. Right? Okay. Ooh, where am I? No, I'm not unbeatable. Boo. Guest. Oh god, the game flip. Oh, I'm alive. I think the tornado spawned on me. Starting new round. Okay, well I'm doing. You're doing that. I'm just gonna. Yeah, do this. What should I do? Nothing. Vote for a map. Let's go to desert. It's hotel. Magnetic. The game mode is Tornado, a Sharknado. Read the roleplay messages. Well, I have. So I'm gonna skip this for you and get into the tornado. Okay, guys? Okay, it started. What the? I'm getting hit. Go up. I need to get my legs broken. I like when my legs are broken. Keep on. Oh god, it's coming. Frick. Oh god, it burnt. That's a lava tornado. Help, it's burning us. Help. Help. I got this. I want my leg broken. Okay, break my legs. There's a tornado on fire. Press the pepperoni. Push. Oh god. Ooh, it doesn't hurt. Look. Lava needle. What's the paper? Okay, we're gonna keep for joy. Okay, who wants to run down? Oh god! I'm on fire! Rip! Oh, come on. Okay, I'll see you next round. Boom! Gee. Okay. No. Go. Any more? Okay, keep on going. Balk your way out of here. Boom. After this round, I'm gonna go and see you in the next video. Come on, tornado, fight me. You lose. Tornado! Ah, I'm gonna die.